How often have you wondered about the role confidence plays in a woman's life? Confidence, ladies and gentlemen, is more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental pillar that supports the architecture of a successful, fulfilling life. It's the driving force that propels us towards our personal and professional goals, the sturdy bridge that connects us to meaningful, healthy relationships. Imagine for a moment a world where you second-guess every decision, where self-doubt is your constant companion. It's a world brimming with missed opportunities, untapped potential, a world where dreams remain just that, dreams. That's the power of a lack of confidence. Now flip the script. Imagine a world where you stride forward with assured steps, where you take on challenges with a delightful grin, where you are your own cheerleader. That's the power of confidence. It's transformative, it's liberating, it's empowering. Let's delve into 5 practical tips that can help you nurture and grow your confidence. Tip number 1, embrace self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is the cornerstone of confidence. It's about acknowledging who you are, your strengths and your weaknesses, and still being able to say, I am enough. This doesn't mean ignoring areas for growth, but rather accepting that we are all works in progress. Embracing your flaws makes you resilient and fosters a positive mindset. Learning to love yourself, warts and all, builds a firm foundation for increased self-esteem. Remember, self-acceptance is the first step towards confidence. Tip number 2, cultivate positive self-talk. The way we speak to ourselves holds power over our self-perception. Positive self-talk is a powerful tool for boosting confidence. By consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, we can rewire our brain to foster a more confident mindset. Think of it as a personal cheerleader living in your mind, constantly reminding you of your capabilities and potential. Remember, words have power. With positive self-talk, you're programming your mind to believe in your capabilities. Tip number 3, set and achieve goals. Goals are like the North Star, guiding us towards our desired destination. They provide a sense of direction and purpose, which are fundamental to building confidence. However, it's not enough to just set goals. Achieving them is where the magic happens. Each achievement, no matter how small, serves as a stepping stone, boosting your self-confidence and creating a positive cycle of self-improvement. Let's think of it this way. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. Each step you take, each rock you conquer, brings you closer to the peak. With every accomplishment, your confidence grows. Your belief in your abilities strengthens. This is precisely what goal setting and achieving does for your confidence. Remember, the key is to set small, realistic goals. Achievable goals. Goals that challenge you, but don't overwhelm you. And with each goal you achieve, you'll find your confidence soaring higher and higher. The more goals you achieve, the more confident you become. Tip number 4, practice self-care. Self-care isn't about indulging in an occasional treat or taking a day off when you're exhausted. It's about consistently prioritizing your well-being, both physically and mentally. Consider this, when you're physically healthy, you feel good. You're energetic, you're active. This vitality can directly boost your confidence. So, don't underestimate the power of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a good night's sleep. Now let's talk about mental health. It's just as important, if not more. When you're mentally healthy, you're better equipped to handle stress, overcome challenges, and bounce back from failures. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, or simply taking a moment to breathe play a crucial role here. And then there's personal needs. It could be spending time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or maybe just some quiet alone time. These moments of joy and peace contribute significantly to your confidence. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity for building confidence. Our final tip, surround yourself with positive influence. Just as a flower thrives in a well-tended garden, so does confidence bloom in a positive environment. The company you keep, the conversations you engage in, the spaces you inhabit, all these can profoundly shape your self-perception. Surrounding yourself with people who inspire, uplift, and believe in you can bolster your self-confidence remarkably. Seek out positivity, nurture it, and watch your confidence flourish. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Now that we've explored these tips, let's look at how being confident can impact your life. Embracing self-acceptance, cultivating positive self-talk, setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, and surrounding yourself with positive influence can dramatically shape your life. Confidence can lead to a more fulfilling life, better relationships, and higher chances of success. It's the catalyst for becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, confidence is not just about feeling good, it's about stepping into your power and living your best life. Before we wrap up this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, let's take a moment to reflect. Confidence is not a destination, but a continuous journey. It's about embracing who you are, striving to become better, and transforming your life in the process. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. We are here to guide you, inspire you, and provide you with the tools you need to boost your confidence. So if you found this content valuable and want to continue growing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more confidence-boosting tips and tricks. Together, we can create a positive ripple effect, empowering each other and contributing to a world brimming with confidence. Now go out there and shine your light.